Welcome back to Big and Breaks, everybody. We got us a 2021 box, a Donruss. Old school players and new school fools. 14 mega box exclusive Holo Pink. And 14 pink Firework parallels with a retro 1987 signatures. Pink Firework parallels. See what we get out of this. The first Donruss, regular Donruss stuff I've opened is the 2026. I really like the optic stuff and the prism stuff, so figured I'd give the Reggie stuff a chance, and I actually like it a lot because it's also got optic in it, which the optic, if you guys don't know, is kind of like the Topps Chrome stuff. Really thick cards, good stuff. These are definitely smaller packs than the new Donruss stuff comes in, but it's a lot of packs there for a little bit of money. 14 cards per pack. The 2021 stuff is super cheap, so, and sometimes you can find some really good cards in them, numbered cards, and so far so good with the 2026. We're gonna try this 2021 here. Got us Matt Olson, Brad Keller, Steve Garvey, old school, Mike Trout, sweet. It's got like the Statue of Liberty card, kind of like the new 2026 does. That's cool. Butane, pink card. Elite Series, Yadier Molina. It's a cool little pink refractor. St. Louis. And Gigante. And then Ronald Acuna Jr., Diamond King. I guess maybe these Donruss ones don't come with the optic in them like the new 2026 did. That's kind of a bummer. Hopefully we'll get some decent stuff though. Austin Meadows, Carlos Correa, Dallas Keuchel, Reggie Jackson, the Reginator. Let's see. Evan White, rated rookie, pink. And then the Dominators with Manny Machado, Mr. Roboto. Joey Gallo, Diamond King. And Pico de Gallo. What kind of name is that? Pico de Gallo. That's funny. He's spicy. He goes good on any kind of taco. Let's see. Zach Gallen again. Miguel Cabrera. Ricky Henderson. Hyunjin Ryu. That's a weird looking pitch he's got there. Kevin Biggio. And then Unleashed with Cody Bellinger. Unleash the Kraken. Nolan Arenado, Diamond King, and Bobby Delbeck. That's a good rated rookie there. We'll take it. I guess the new Donruss stuff's a lot nicer than this 2021 stuff. Luis Giolito. I definitely don't like the design of these ones very much. Marco Gonzalez. Dylan Bundy, Al Bundy's brother. Dwight Goodendogan. Ronald Acuna Matata Jr. with the pink. And Elite Series with Mike Trout. Yeah, buddy. We'll take it. Too bad that one's not numbered. And Jacob deGrom. It's a good one. And then Brandon Lowe, Diamond King. I wonder if this box doesn't say if you get any kind of guaranteed hits, but it does say 1 autograph per box on average. So maybe it'll be a good one. We'll open up a few of these packs because they do take a little bit less to go through since there's only 8 cards per pack. I definitely like the newer Donruss design better than this design. This one's kind of not a good choice. I mean, I get what they're doing, trying to make it the old look, but pick a better card for the old look, guys. Corey Kluber, Antonio Sanzatella, Craig Biggio. Ooh, signed. Estevan Florial. That's a good one there. Signed Donruss. One little tiny nick on it, but not too bad. Adam Wainwright. Ronald Acuna Jr. highlight card. That's nice. Cool one there. Babe Ruth. Fernando Tatis Diamond King. Clayton Mother Flippin' Kershaw, y'all. Jesus Luzardo. Rod Carew. Oh, there's just a nice numbered card. Let's see, Giancarlo Stanton. 1814 of 2021. It's a cool card. We'll take a numbered card. Josh Bell, Diamond King. And then live stream, Aaron Judge in New York, Donruss, Pinkerton. Sixto Sanchez, rated rookie. We didn't get many rated rookies out of this box so far. Aaron Judge will always take us a Judge. Patrick Corbin. Anthony Rizzo. John Smoltz. Don't see many John Smoltz in these boxes. Anthony Santander. That's a nice numbered card. 1 to 50. Yeah. I don't know. That's cool. Jose Canseco, pink. Joey Bart, the rookies, pink. It's got a little bit of swagger to it. 1,406 career steals with Ricky Henderson, the Beast of the East. Joe Adell, rated rookie. That's another good rated rookie. Kevin Biggio, Adam Wainwright, Anthony Santander, Fergie Jenkins, Fergalicious Jank, Matt Olson, pink. Yeah. I forgot he was even with Oakland. It's crazy. Zach Veen, rated prospect, pink. That's nice. Definitely a good one to get there. Brady Singer, rated rookie, and Nolan Arenado, Mr. Roboto. Open up the rest of these packs here. That's cool. We got two numbered cards and a signed card. I just think we got one more of these boxes to go through too. We live in the dream, guys. I mean, I think I paid about $30 or something on eBay for these, so a lot of cards for a little bit of money. I am a little disappointed that they don't have the optic in with them like the 2026 does, because that was a nice benefit. That's what I like about the Bowman too, is it has not just regular Bowman and the prospect stuff, but it also has, you know, the Bowman Chrome in there with it. So you get like a nice little array array of different cards. Pretty nifty, but this is a decent amount of cards for a little bit of money. I have not had much luck with the Series 2 tops, so I'm giving up on it. I'd rather buy some of this old cool stuff. Jose Abreu, Marcell Ozuna, Luke Voigt, Larry Waka Flocka Flame, Matt Chapman Pink, Trending Lewis Robert, Trending Up and Away Aaron Judge with the Diamond King, Alec Boehm again, rated rookie, Eloy Jimenez, Hyun Jin Ryu, Andre Dawson, sweet, another numbered card, Ronald Acuna, 1295, 2021. I mean, guys, you can probably open 5-6 mega boxes of tops and maybe get one numbered card. Here we got 3 in this one box. Marcell Ozuna, Xander Bogaerts, the Dominators. It's a nice card there. Nick Madrigal, rated rookie. Starling Marte, Carlos Carrasco, Brandon Woodruff. So much about him. Cal Ripken, Eloy Jimenez. Oh, Sparkle Fart card. Got Ken Griffey Jr. pink. That's nice. We'll take it. Lucas Giolito pink highlights card. .534 slugging percent with Sammy Sosa. Ketel Marte, the Beast. Trevor Story, Josh Hader, Jose Barrios, Dale Murphy. One of my faves from back when I was a kid. I can't believe he ain't made it to the Hall of Fame yet. Another Ken Griffey Jr. Yeah, buddy. Cooking with Fire. Unleashed with Juan Soto. Unleash the Kraken. Dylan Carlson, rated rookie. Christian Yelich. Kyle Lewis. Cole Calhoun. Miguel Rojas. Ozzie Smith. Jose Abreu, pink in the stink. Babe Ruth, Elite Series. Pinky and the Brain. Let's see. Yaz. San Francisco. Anthony Santander, Diamond Kinginator. Brad Hand. Renato Nunez. David Ortiz. Another number card. Hell yeah. 841 of 2021. Pedro Martinez. And Whit Merrifield, Diamond King. Unleashed Alex Rodriguez. And Diamond King Starling Marte again. And Keibert Ruiz, rated rookie. So not too shabby. Got quite a few numbered cards. And thanks for watching Bigger Breaks. We'll open up one more box of these and see what the ripping and tearing brings. Like and subscribe for more ripping and tearing.